welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marian. In today's video, I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm getting ready to go to my baby girl's graduation, high school graduation. But before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you would like to see the look that I, am going for, then definitely stay tuned. As you can see, fresh face, sunscreen on, all that good jazz. But I don't have any primer on, so I'm trying to use the rest of this Huda Beauty water jelly up before I go into other primers, get rid of stuff that's almost empty. The month of May has been very challenging for me. Like, you just don't know. The last couple of days, I just wanted to crawl into a hole, but it is a joyous occasion, so I'm not gonna let that get me down. I am going to go in with the Strobe Cream Hydrant from MAC. This is a recent purchase, and I just want to see what it do. I'm only gonna go in with a little. I don't want it to be too shiny. It doesn't have a scent, which is good. And I really like the glow that it's giving, so there it is. I have been also loving the ABH Brow Freeze. It allows me to use, it allows me the ability not to use a lot of brow product and to do my brows a whole lot quicker than normal. And they have started to look a whole lot more natural. Now I have basically 2 hours to get ready before I need to have her at the school. So I want to say 1.5 hours because I have to do her hair. So enough of me rambling. Just gonna get right into it. So to clean my brows, I'm using the NARS Medium 3 Soft Matte Complete Concealer and Praline. To do my brows, I use the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim, in case you were wondering. The lighting may change because the sun is going down, so I'm trying to hurry up and use as much natural light as possible. So as far as eyes go, since she is a Libra, I'm going to use the ColourPop Peace Love Libra Quad Palette to do a cute looking eye look. This is like a muted pink-ish kind of palette, so it should be very easy and simple look, nothing too fancy. So to ensure that the shimmers pop, I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm not really trying to do like a cut crease, but I know exactly where I want the shimmers to be placed on my eyelid, so this kind of helped. Okay, so the glitter has dried down some. So I'm gonna take this shade right here and put it right here, and then possibly the light shade in the inner corner. Let's see how that works out. I just had the brush. Hold up. Okay, I'm not fond of this particular shade, but I'm gonna put it on and then go over it with the light one, because this one is coming off a little patchy. Okay, this shadow is not working for me. The shimmer, the dark one. So let me just try this light one. Okay, the light one is good. Okay, so I'll come back, finish my eyes later. I'm gonna move on to Foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Lancome Tinted Idol. This is the Care and Glow, which is different from the original one. Love the original one. This one here is cool as well, but it's something about that original one that is calling me. So foundation is on. I'm just gonna add a little bit around my mouth where the two dark spots are, just to give a little bit more coverage. Not too much, just a little, you know, pump. Okay, I'm trying to hurry up before my battery goes dead on me. Anyways, so concealer, I'm gonna use the Naked Quickie from Urban Decay. I typically blend out my concealer with a sponge. They're dirty, so this is gonna be an all brush makeup look. The concealer brush that I used is from Morphe. It's the E45. Love this brush. Get the brush. As you can see, it blended out my concealer so well. Moving on to bronzer. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in Full of Life. Now that I have bronzer on, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye using this powder puff I got from Amazon. And I'm using the Sephora translucent setting powder. So I'm gonna set my entire face using the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Pressed Powder in Soft Honey. I kind of want to get a different shade, and I think it's still on sale at Sephora. Not sure by the time you see this video, but it's currently on sale. Half off. Now I'm gonna go in with the MAC bronzer. This is the Matte Deep Golden Skin Finish bronzer. Really like this bronzer. Okay, so before I spray my face again, I'm going to use the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Papaya. This is new to me, and I feel like it'll go well with my eye look. Yeah, oh, this is pretty. Okay, my camera went dead, but I put the blush on, so let me spray my face real quick. So the final step as far as my face is the Rare Beauty highlighter in Mesmerize. I only want to put it on my nose. The tip and right here, the bridge, just to have a little sparkle. I don't know if I want to put it on the side. Let me add just a little. Okay, yeah, I'm glad I did add some highlight. I'm constantly getting interrupted by my daughter because I have to curl her hair, so she's getting ready. I'm almost done. And then, you know, she's my youngest, so she will be the last to graduate high school. Then we have to worry about college and all that good stuff, but one milestone at a time. Okay, so I did my liner and lashes off camera. Move on to lips. Use Buxom Plump Shot. Okay, final step is lips, using Juvia's Place lip pencil and Cola. Do this. Oh, I'm about to run out of this one. I had to step off and do everything because everyone's coming in and everything. I had to curl my daughter's hair so we can get her to the school. Using Juvia's Place Mirage lip gloss. So this is the finished look. I'm wearing Baccarat as the fragrance. My face looks very airbrushed, and I really like this look. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and as always, thank you for watching.